So next up in our series on JavaScript interview questions, arrays, and how do arrays get handled in JavaScript when you are creating new elements. So let's take a look at this one. We've got an array called numbers, which has 3 elements inside of it, and then we're adding another one. We're adding number 10, and we're putting the value 11 into that. So position 0 has 1, position 1 has 2, position 2 has 3, and position 10 has 11. So what is the internal structure of the array now, and how is that going to be played out using a for loop or a for each loop? So take a moment, see if you can figure it out. This code, if you want your own copy of it, you will find that in the link that's down in the description to the code gist. Take a moment and see if you can figure it out before you actually run the code. Okay, welcome back. So let's take a look and see what we actually get here. So open up my console. And here we are. I'll scroll this up a little bit. Here we go. So we've got 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3. That's the initial numbers that we had up here. Then we have a series of undefines. We have all these undefines before number 10 with the number 11 inside of it. So this is what happens when you add an element to an array. JavaScript will dynamically size the array, and it fills those empty spots with undefines. It's like it's declaring a whole bunch of variables, but not assigning any value to them. So it creates the elements in between. And that means when we do a for loop like this, you will actually go through every one of the steps. You will go through every one of the possible indexes from the 0 up to the highest number that was ever defined. So if you define number 1 million, it will loop 1 million times. The difference with the for each is it only looks at the actual values that have been set. It ignores the undefines. So we are getting a loop that runs 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 11. Those are the values that we're going to get back. So hopefully that all made sense. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.